Because
tibalingako ebyo bajja bujje bakekeza.
Because we have convinced our people that you look here, your country is still not rich enough. If you insist on too much money, you may not be able to defend the country.
Bakobiza abantu baife mu magye nti eningiza yaife kalimala ensi mugikuume bwe ebintu ebiriterera tuyita kulingamu ekyo.
So that's for us, we have no problem.
Kale ababo mu nsi kabadikekeza bazira buzibu.
The only thing we insist on is equipment for us.
Bo kye bayisa kuyisira n'ebyuma bino ebikola omulimo gule nga ebikekeza.
Even when we took power in 1986, we spent a year without getting salaries.
Era niye batwala obukulembeze nga batununuire mu 1996 bamala omwaka nga bazza musaala.
Just food and clothes, that's all we were getting.
Bonga bafuna kyakwiza ya munwa ne baba n'engoye nga babeerawo nga balambala.
So therefore, my advice to all of you NRM leaders, let's deal with the issue of budgeting. Budgeting according to priorities.
Kale ali kusaba nti abakulembeze omuligano n'abandi abali eyo tuyise isira ku kintu ekyo ekya engabula.
So there is nothing you cannot do. Let's agree. For instance, the road my sister is talking about, the one of Budondo and the other one, it has delayed because we did not gabula enough on that road. So let's gabula properly. All of us agree that instead of this one, that one, to gabule chino, then we shall. I don't see any problem myself. I have no problem at all.
Kale alikoba ntinga oluguudo luno mwani na right speaker parliament lwali kwogera ku luno oluvaano kwamba kweti Budondo Mbulamuti Kamuli okujere paka kunanda olwo tuyikize bwabuyikizaganya nti kusinza ku ngabule buti enungi tubanga tugigumireku olwazana buzibu nalwo era lidakolebwa.
But this one already they are signing a contract for this particular one.
Aye luno lwene ng'okulwogera ku ng'olwo bali kusaininga bali kuwandiika endagaano ey'okuluwa abali kujja okuluzimba muna kwetaidagala.
But the crucial thing is that whether this one or the other one or this one, because you see, you talk many things, this one here, yes, but what is the method? What is the I look at the method, not just the details.
Aye ekikulu byonna byonna tuli kuleeta luno twaleeta kino twaleeta kire enkola enaaba ati luno olwo yalumaze olukola ku sente adifunira balikola endagaano. Aye dino dire galina obaaga enkola enungamu yasobola okugiraku nti kino kisooka okola meka itwakola kiri kino kisooka okola nti twakola okusinza ku ngabula yaliikoba.
Yes, because otherwise you will have unnecessary arguments as if you don't want to do this or the other one, as if kiba kiringa waliwo aganye okukola kino oba okukola kiri.
Bwe tutayisanie ne tuba ku kintu bwe tulitambula tuyida kutandiika okuboneka nga tetuyisania tetwikizagania tutandika okubaawo obutayikizagania nti kino tokikoze kino tokikoze ate nga embanga mwikizaganya nti tusooka ne kino tukole kino meka itwire ku kino mutambula bulungi.
Because you see, for instance, if we want to do more roads quickly, then we can say let's increase, instead of 6,400 billion now, let's make it 8,000 billion so that we can do more and more roads, which means we postpone salary emisara. For abasirikale tetulwanira misala.
Kuba alesebwa ndowooza tikoba nti nekiriwo yakati bwetubanga twikirizaga ne tukana tuli kwenda kwongera akola kilomita buli mwaka enguudo edakolansi tuongeze sente ditole ku Buwumbi akakaga n'ebina tutwale ku Kanaana awo ni kilomita nyingi dakolebwa. Ayawo kiba kikosaako ebintu ebindi obutakolebwa katukobe ng'omusaala tusobola okuba nti omusaala guno banatuguleke nga abasirikale kasita bafunye ekyokulya n'engoye basobola okubaawo omusaala baguleka abaga kikolebwa. Ayi buli muntu ekyana akiikiriza kale tulina okuyisania.
That's all. Really, we shouldn't waste time with this because that's the issue. The issue is okugabula.
Kale kino tutakimala kukwina obwire ekikulu ngeri yangabula ku ekiriwo.
Now, the other issue which the NRM people should fight with is corruption.
Ekintu ekindi kyali kuleeta gano n'ekyo ekyobugubuze NRM kyeteeka olwanisa.
Because you see, for instance, like these youth who have been making trouble, these youth are not a problem at all. For me, they are very easy to deal with, and I will deal with them very easily.
Kale gamba nga abavubuka bano abaye bali kuleeta emitawaana tedi alowooza nga ti bantu bazibu bakugemagana nabo n'akolagana nabo era ye asaze alijja agemagana nabo bulungi ino.
They have been misdirected by some of the infiltrators.
Bangirirwa omu ku bantu abakyamu
abamu
bangirirwa abandi ku abo bangirirwa abantu abakyamu
who are being used by foreigners
abali bakozesa ng'ate abantu ababangiriire
whom we know
baboneko abantu amaganga ag'okuliya babangiriire era babaidi.
But otherwise, for the youth, their issues are socio-economic issues which are genuine.
Ayenga abavubuka ensonga zaabwe edibagemaku n'ebyenfuna n'ekikulu ye bali era ensonga zaabwe dimanyiibwe
ebyobulamu n'ebyenfuna
ebyobulamu n'ebyenfuna
socio-economic.
nebagemaku.
This is actually very good because you see, in the past we had people pushing programs of tribes, of religion, and so on.
Mpagaana olwo n'okuzuula ekigema ku bantu abo nga banaife empagaana abavubuka okusingaku biro ebyayisibwanga kuyisira nti ono muki mukatuliki ono mulango ono muganda ono musoga.
These children have no issue of tribe, no issue. Their issues are socio-economic. You deal with socio-economic, Uganda will be totally united. Now, then that leaves me now to the final point, the final point of the NRM strategy.
Mpagaana ekyo yabanga asigaire n'ekintu kirala ekisembayo ekya NRM.
The question is, when all these Ugandans wake up,
ekyokubuuza nti bano Uganda bona bana abaviire mu ndoolo
and they start producing,
ne batandika bona okukola ne bafulumya,
producing for the stomach, for the kidda,
okukolera enda, ensawo
ate bakozesa ekibalo,
ate nga balitaamu n'ekibalo.
Where shall we sell what we produce?
Tujatondaga bye tunaabanga tufulumya ebyo byonna.
That's what now leads us to the African issues,
ekyo ne kitutwala ku kire,
which is what Mukora was talking about.
Ekyo ne kitwala ku kire ekyokuboneka nti olw'oluganda lwaife olw'ensi semazinga ya Africa erina okwidagalala ng'akatale okutwala ebintu byaife ebyo.
To sell our products not only in Uganda but in East Africa and in Africa.
Tuboneke nti ebintu ebyo byonna bale abaviire kulya balifulumya, twena tuviire mu ndooto tuli kufulumya, ebintu bidakuba bingi era bya mudendeero kwegamba tubenga tulina okunoonya akatale mu mawanga amagaita ag'ebuvanjuba n'ensi edindi edasemazinga wa Africa.
So, like for instance, the issue we are having of sugar here,
putinga ekizibu kye tulina kye kya sukkaali gano
n'ebikaado. This morning I spoke with His Excellency Kenyatta.
Kunjoli nayogeire n'owekitiibwa ekisengedde ekyaga eggulu ino Kenyatta owe Kenya.
Where are those sugars of mine? Because now,
kuba buti
I don't want to mix it up. We are producing 540,000 tons of sugar here.
Kuba buti tuli kufulumya etaani bitaano na ana enkumi ttaano
emitwalo ataano mwena
egya sukaali gane Uganda.
We are consuming 380,000.
Aye ife gano mu Uganda tusobola kukozesa ku sukaali gano munamuna emitwalo 38 egya ttaano.
But in Kenya, they need some sugar.
aye Kenya beetaaga sukaali,
Even Tanzania.
niga Abatanzania.
That's why I want those figures because they were trying to compile them.
Ekyova ali kusaba abantu be abakola mu ofiisi ye bamuwe emiwendo egyo agitegeere.
So there is a deficit for sugar in Kenya and Tanzania.
Kale eriyo sukaali obutamala mu iganga lya Kenya ne Tanzania.
Now, but the problem is that here in Uganda, by the time you produce a ton of sugar at Kachera here,
Aye ekizibu ekikulu wano e Uganda kiri nti gano okufulumya etaani eya sukaali gano ekakira gano.
you produce it at $540.
Ogifulumikiza ku $540.
In Niger, in Mali, even a big country like Nigeria.
Mufumintize muwulirize ebintu ebiri mu nsi edindi ku lukalu lwa Africa nga Mali, Niger, n'ogusi ogunene katukobe nga Nigeria,
Somalia, Central African Republic,
Central African Republic,
Congo DRC.
Banana baife ba Congo.
So many problems.
Ebizibu bingi naye banaife abo.
But all coming from one thing.
Aye byonna biriva ku kintu kirala kiti.
Buli muntu yena kyasiga kyakungula.
Buli lwosige ekibi okungula kibi. Aye bwosiga ekirungi okungula kirungi. Kyosiga kyokungula.
NRM yasiga okudiringa ne ebyetaago by'abantu.